Hello, and welcome to this MBL seminar on the SRA Accounts Rules Update for Reporting Accountants, What's New and What's Next. My name's Luke Dickinson. I oversee accounts rules audits at an accountancy practice. I oversee over 150 audits a year, and I'm really sort of on the pulse with what's happening for reporting accountants, whether that's from the SRA and the ICAW Special Interest Group, or just from looking at my own clients. So today what we're going to go through is what's happening currently, what's potentially new. So we'll look at the consumer protection review that's ongoing at the minute, and we'll also have a look at some new themes that are arising, as well as touching back on those old sort of high risk areas that I'm sure you're all interested in today. So, some general observations from the last year. So, what are we seeing firms doing in relation to the SRA accounts rules, and what's affecting audits? Well, the first one, hopefully for all of you, is quite obvious, which is the changes to systems. We've seen a lot of movement in the market when it comes to changes to accounting and practice management systems. We've seen a lot of systems being bought up at the minute, as well as changes to older systems. Perhaps some systems are being sunsetted, some systems are having a bit of a refresh, but we're also seeing new systems entering the market. So it's definitely a time of change for firms. Some firms are also looking at the impacts of automation and AI, and that's sort of come as part of that change to the systems, whether that is they're staying with their existing systems and taking on AI tools or automation tools, or it could be that they're venturing into a new system that has these tools. And from that, firms are looking at more robust policies. These policies are looking at using those systems, whether that be those integrated systems, as we said, or new technology, in order to create more robust policies to help mitigate the risk of, say, acting as a bank or mispostings, or generally other compliance that's sort of encapsulated in the accounts rules client money world. So anti-money laundering, anti-fraud, as well, of course, as those that I've just touched upon in terms of acting as a bank. We've also seen some really good policies coming from that in terms of making sure that money's being posted to the correct matter promptly, as well as ensuring that client money is moving to the right matter or onto the right matters, or being returned to the client in terms of getting hold of those residual balances. And from that, firms are starting to get those easy wins in terms of ensuring that residual balances are being dealt with. Acting as a bank is being sort of shut down early on in the matter to make sure that matters are compliant with the rules, as well as ensuring that client money is safe.